In this video, I'm going to teach you how to see how many hours you have played Valorant for. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. What you have to do in order to see how many hours you have spent playing Valorant for, you need to use one of these trackers. The best tracker to use is the tracker.gg website. As you can see, when you first go over to tracker.gg, you have a lot of games to choose from, and you simply have to select Valorant. It's the first game on the list. In here, you can simply type your name and go to your profile. If this is the first time accessing this website, or if your profile is private, you are going to get this pop-up and you need to make your profile public by signing in and acknowledging that it will make your profile public. After you do so, you will be able to access your Valorant's stats page, and it's going to look like this, for example. As you can see over here at the top, the amount of playtime is going to be displayed depending on which act you select. As you can see, you can hover over all acts and select all acts in order to see the full playtime between all acts that you have been playing Valorant for. I hope I was able to help you on how to see how many hours you have played Valorant for. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.